Hello everyone, TOYSREVIL here. A lot of folks will be looking at this in a portrait vertical way, but I've decided to film this in a landscape way. So feel free to turn your mobile phone around and see it in a landscape format. Yeah, I think it's more fun on the landscape, even though it might not be visibly as structured as a vertical on a handphone, but hey, we deal with what we have lah. At this point today, I'm going to be opening up 2 more boxes of HIRONO MIME. I've opened this box in the previous reel and also on YouTube, a time-lapse unboxing. But today I am going to open up real time. Let me put this aside lah. Put this aside here. These 2 blind boxes for HIRONO MIME. 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 Okay. Which I got 2 days ago on the way home after production, and I just, of course, had to deviate from my travel path into a Pop Mart outlet and near where I live, and lo and behold, I was not expecting HIRONO, but managed to grab a couple of HIRONO on display, which in my context is exceedingly rare because it's always sold out. But I suppose for MIME, it's they grabbed enough of it for sale. Designed by Lang, just been announced on the Pop Toy Show SG in September that he'll be coming. So this is pretty cool. So preparing this, all that I've pulled to have maybe a signature sign. But before that happens, let's open up and find out what's inside this blind box. Nice they have this reclosable lid. Let me show you it again for folks who don't know. Clasp here, and it's closable. Nice to store stuff. And in my context, a lot of the toys are like left out in the open. It's tricky lah. Don't have a proper display case, or rather my display cases are all filled up. And also for folks who are deciding to leave any messages, I'm sorry I can't read them the way I film it, so I apologize in advance. Coming back to the opening. MIME. HIRONO MIME. This is the blind packet that you see. Very thick. Thicker than usual that I am familiar with, you know, with silver foil. This is like thick, proper wrapper, man. Nice. It reminds me of like I don't know, X-Files vibe. Very cool. The show of identity. Nice. It's like a clapperboard, film clapperboard, which is none too ironic because I'm in the middle of a broadcast production right now. Yes, I'm jumping back into the fray a decade away, but maybe it's not about my life story versus the toys that you'll be interested in. I still can't, since my first unboxing, I have not been able to perfect the tear out the plastic bag properly, so this irritates me. So no, I've not seen inside, so you're gonna see along with me what's my pull. Oh, okay. I feel a hat. Ta-da! Feel a dunce hat. Ta-da! Little drummer boy. Oh my gosh. Adorable lah, HIRONO. I mean, these are my first HIRONOs. This is my absolute second HIRONO. And I am just... Ooh, that must be a key. Let me see if there's a key after we do a quick turnaround. Let me put him down. Oh. Yeah, I can't stand on his own. Yes, there is a key. Is this a stand? Yes, it's a stand. Shall I open it? I'm always very scared of opening stuff like this, because once I open it and I don't display, stuff will just disappear. And that's just not a way to keep toys. Oh my gosh, why is this so troublesome? Okay. Okay. Little peg goes into little legs. Nice. Nice, perfect, can stand. A toy that can stand on its own. Go figure. And this is the key. The key pops into the back. Okay, I shouldn't stress the table if you see shaking. And that's it. You can see the little feet that's like kicking up. It's Hirono. Little drummer boy. Cool that the drum has a little torn surface. If you can see it. Nice zoom. Solar's eyes. Aww. This is solid PVC. So it's a solid piece. Let's look at the card. I've chosen not to look at the card because once you open up a blind box, a card inside will show you what that figure is. So best to avoid it if you don't want to, if you enjoy the random unbagging of your figure. This is the back of the card, which is essentially a lighter version of what we see here in the packaging. So that's very cool. Very cool. Flip it around. Ta-da! There it is. He has a name. And the name is Fool. Aww. This is Fool. Yeah, this is for folks up there who see it vertically. And this is for folks who are watching this horizontally. Fool. Adorable, huh? And I would assume this art is by Lang as well. Very nice. Hey, dude, if Lang comes up with like a trading card set or a set of posters of his art, oh man, this would go like hot cakes, man. Come on. Come on. You know it would. You know it. I'll grab a whole bunch of them and 52 card set, like like playing cards with art. Make it happen, bro. Make it happen. So yes, this is the Fool. Fool next to Blind. Adorable. Adorable. Okay, enough of my nonsense. Yes, I just wanted to put them standing side by side. Toys that can stand on their own. And for the final box that I own. I mean, of course I'm kicking myself I didn't grab an entire case, but I am not in a position to grab an entire case, but I'll be willing to receive an entire case. God, so nervous when they're asking for free shit. I'm open to receiving an entire case from folks, but until then, this is my third and last box to unbox. Yeah, I'm not full of myself rambling on, man. I mean, I've actually not stared in any of these figures. I didn't want to know for this unboxing. I didn't want to know what I am expecting. Hence, I won't have expectations, and I won't have expectations. I won't be disappointed. Since my last unboxing of Pop Mart with which one was it? The MK3, Kasing Lung with Kawasaki. That was a heartbreak because I had a double. I pulled a double, so yeah, I don't want to disappoint myself again. I mean, I'm not rolling in riches to be able to buy a blind box. Let me bitch a bit. I have to bitch a bit. These are not like a dollar box toys. No, it's not. Thankfully for Hirono, it's 15 plus Sing dollars, so it's like $16 off the shelf. Whereas the previous one was like 25 $25 per blind box and pull doubles. Heartbreak, man. Heartbreak. But anyway, Zen. And now we have MIME. So let's take a look at MIME. Third and final box. Yeah, I tell myself be tender about it. If not, no regrets, but yeah, be tender. Be tender about it. Wow, why so difficult to open? Ayyo! Oh yeah, because they stuck the thing here. This is how they indicated in the shop I go to that this is purchased. Bugs me the heck but what to do? What to do? Oh, great. Can't even tear properly. I've become such a whiny little... Yeah, I'll leave it at that. The job is leaving me whiny. Okay. Okay. Done. Package out. Card inside. No, I don't see it. No, I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. HIRONO. MIME. For folks who can't read, MIME. Yeah, whatever. Okay. Time to rip into this and hope the third time's the charm and I can do a proper tear down the line. Okay, I'm going to aid it a bit, huh? Fold it. Maybe folding it would help, so I don't mistear. If that's the word you want to use. Fold it. Okay, let's hope this works. Oh man, perfect tear. Works this way lah. Try it yourself, okay? Let me feel the figure. I'm looking at low battery. Oh, low battery. So if this live goes out because my phone is low battery, it's my bad. I didn't charge it before. Anyway, opening up, opening up, opening up. Ta-da! Oh, nice, adorable, adorable. Ooh, what's this little kite? Okay, this is the kite. Attached to the kite. Why is it tied to the leg? There is no spare thing inside. Let me look at the card. Eee, so cute. The hair, the feather. Oh, dude, don't follow me like that, man. Let's check out the card, what it says. The card, what it says. The card, what it says. If the... Okay. Patience. Cute. I don't know. Oh, okay. Okay, I get the story now. Let me attempt to interpret the story. So HIRONO has tied himself to a kite and he's waiting to be blown into the sky, fly to the sky by the wind. And this little tied himself to a nail. So this is nailed to the ground. So he gets to fly, or he hopes he gets to fly, but not fly away into the sky and disappear. Does it make sense? This is my interpretation anyway. Yeah. And this is adorable, lah. Oh my gosh, adorable. 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 I'm a mushy middle-aged man playing at action toys, not action figures. Toys. The details are amazing. Poor mother is producing kicking ass collectible toys, and it's PVC, ABS, PVC, no PVC, not ABS. It is proper heavy. There's a weight, and I've come to appreciate a proper heavy weighted toy. It feels more not robust, feels more tangible. I'm of the physicality of toys and the presence. Maybe that's the word for it. It feels that it's present in my hands with the weight. It's present, or at least in my toy life. So yeah. And then this is the end of my unboxing. These are my 3 HIRONOs from the MIME series, the latest MIME series, 2023. I opened this in a time-lapse video, but not spoken about. And this too has been what I have opened in this video you're watching now on my Instagram live, which of course will go live onto my Reels. And I need to hold it like this so I can do a screen capture as a whatchamacallit, cover for the video. Yeah, giving it away lah. What do you want? Unboxing one. Mystery unboxing. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm reading. Yes, it's dope. Corner store sim. Rock and roll. It is hella dope. Hella dope. My first Hirono. I've been blogging about whatever I can, but I've never actually at all been able to buy any from the shops. I mean, I buy in person. I try not to buy online. Try not to. I'm the sort that needs to hold it, something, even if it's just a box. Just hold it tangible. It's a physical thing. It's in my hand. And holding this tree again. And these are my Hironos. Okay. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed my live. I apologize in advance. I didn't get to speak to, react to you folks because I'm recording this on a horizontal format and I cannot read only if I tilt my iPhone the other way. So I apologize. Thank you all for watching. I'll put this on my Instagram Reels as well and on my YouTube eventually. And a wave to everyone again. Thank you all for watching. See you real soon. Bye-bye. I'm stuck, man. I can't figure out what button to press to cancel, to finish this live. Maybe it's this cross. Let me see if this crossed. No, it's not. Okay, let me do this. Let me tilt. Yeah. Sorry, man. In-camera action. Yeah, trying to figure out what to do to cancel this live. Bye, everyone.